Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this E61 BMW 535d in for a Wavetrac LSD upgrade. Before we get into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, and then you won't miss any of our new videos go live. So installing the Wavetrac LSD, obviously these cars come with a open differential from the factory, and upgrading to a limited slip differential or LSD basically improves the traction and grip from the rear end of the vehicle, so it'll be much more stable, much less wheel spin, way more predictable in these sort of like cold conditions and also wet conditions, and also obviously will excel in the dry as well. So installing the Wavetrac differential on this car, we're going to get the car in the workshop in a minute and show you the differences between like an open differential, Wavetrac, and then also other ATBs on the market as well. So see you inside. Okay, so we've got the BMW E61 535d on the ramps behind us. We've removed the factory axle and also the open differential from it, which we've got here in front of us. So we're just going to walk you through the open differential, why you might want to upgrade it to a performance differential. We've got the Quaife, which is like a common aftermarket differential, and then we've got the Wavetrac here, which we're fitting today. I'm just going to talk you through the differences of those. So the open differential, the reason why you might want to upgrade it is to improve like traction, grip, stability, drivability, all those things in all conditions. And what happens with the open differential is once one wheel starts to slip or starts to spin freely, it sends all the power to the freely spinning wheel. And a band-aid solution that most modern day cars have is traction control or like ESP systems that basically pulse the brakes to slow down that freely spinning wheel to try to restore some forward momentum. So obviously that's not really a fun way to drive a car, it's not a particularly fast way to drive a car, but it's a little bit better than just sending all the power to the freely spinning wheel. So that's the reason why you'd want to upgrade to an aftermarket performance differential. But even aftermarket performance differentials, there's differences between them, and we've got two different helical pinion and gear based or automatic torque biasing differentials here. And whilst the Quaife is an improvement over the factory open differential, you can go one step further with the Wavetrac. So the goal with a automatic torque biasing differential is instead of when one wheel starts to slip, sending all power to that wheel, what happens is it evenly biases power to the wheel with the most amount of grip and evenly across the axle. But even the Quaife has problems due to its design, and what happens is when there's a reduction in axle load or zero axle load, it sends all the power to the wheel with the least amount of grip, so the freely spinning wheel. And situations that happens is when you experience wheel slip, like we mentioned earlier on, suspension unloading, so when you're cornering heavily and there's weight transfer that comes off of one of the wheels, and also wheel lift as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.